Today, we will demonstrate an innovative medical mobility device called the EZCareChair. We will use the device to toilet a fully dependent or bedridden patient in under 1 minute. The process will pose no danger of injury to the patient or to the caregiver, and only one caregiver is required. The EZCareChair also transfers patients to showers and from the bed safely and efficiently. Investors can learn more about our transfer and mobility device at EZCareChair.com. Now we are going to use the chair combined with a support stand, a commode, and a sliding board to toilet a patient. This is done in 6 easy steps that take less than 1 minute.
Today we're going to toilet a patient using a sliding board and the EZCareChair. The first step is to dock the EZCareChair to the commode stand. The next step is to slide the patient laterally over the commode. The next step is to slide the patient forward to the edge of the cushion. The fourth step is to place the board under the patient's thighs. Next, lean and slide the patient forward and remove the wheelchair cushion. Slide the patient back onto the toilet seat after removing the board. The patient is now ready to toilet.
The EZCareChair toileting process is far safer and faster than using a standard sling lift. And unlike a sling lift, it requires only one caregiver. The same lateral transfer process can be used for showering patients. It takes less than 30 seconds to safely move a patient into a shower. The patented EZCareChair is cost-effective and will drastically reduce caregiver stress, nursing injuries, and nursing labor costs in nursing homes and at home. It will make bed transfer, showering, and toileting less dangerous and labor-intensive. It will also allow fully dependent patients to be cared for in the home instead of being forced into costly nursing homes when they can no longer assist their caregiver during transfer. Improving patient care with the EZCareChair can save Medicaid and family caregivers tens of thousands of dollars annually when caring for a dependent patient. Interested investors and partners are invited to contact us at info@EZCareChair.com.